Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's Nadia, back again with another video. Today guys, I am doing a makeup tutorial and I haven't done this in a while just because I've really been focusing on the no makeup thing this year. However, I do miss putting on makeup and playing with all these colors, and it is spring. It is time to enjoy colors. It's time to enjoy the warmer weather. It is sad that it's getting warmer and our world just is in the situation it is in today. I just want to tell you guys, hope you guys are staying safe, hope your loved ones are safe, hope you're washing your hands, using hand sanitizer, and practicing self-quarantining and social distancing. I was just playing around with my makeup today and I wanted to do a spring makeup tutorial. I did something really subtle, really light, something that's cute and fresh for the warmer weather. Before we get into the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell to be notified for whenever I post, and like the video. I've really been enjoying being so consistent on YouTube and it's really becoming a passion of mine. So comment down below what other videos you want to see from me, and without further ado, enjoy the video. Okay guys, so I'm really up close in your face. I apologize, but it's about to go down. So the first thing I'm going to do obviously is prime my lids. I always do my eyes before my face, just so when I'm cleaning up my foundation I have a more precise angle and a more precise way to complete my look. First thing that I'm going to do is obviously prime my lids with my NYX HD concealer. This concealer is way too light for me to actually use as concealer, so I always use it as an eyeshadow base. I find that it works really well. It makes my lids matte and less oily, and it really covers up my veiny lids that I have. I'm just gonna blend it all in. Might have used too much concealer on this eye, but it's okay. As you can see, it's hella light for me. I don't remember when I was this pale before. So I hope you guys have been doing well. I'm currently home. Today's Wednesday and I don't have work today. And I'm kind of glad because everyone's at home, everyone's self-quarantining themselves. And I work at a bank, and a bank is considered an essential place of business, so we're still open. But we do have shorter hours, but we fortunately get paid the same amount. I'm very fortunate to still have my job, so I'm not going to complain. But I am home today, and not gonna lie, I'm pretty bored. I can't really go anywhere. I have to get my nails done, and I can't even do that. But it's alright. I think it's so important that we all just stay home in this time of crisis, and stay home so the doctors, the nurses, all the workers that are out there for us can stay at work. For this look, I'm going to be using my Modern Renaissance palette. Ooh, it's extremely dirty, as you can see. Okay, so I'm pissed off because I filmed a whole look and it wasn't filming the whole time. So we're doing this again. If I'm in a bad mood, you know why. Just kidding. Honestly, my look didn't come out that great, so maybe it's a good thing that it was never recording. I'm gonna get to priming my lids because that was the last clip that actually recorded, so. Okay guys, so for the eyes I did something really subtle, just a light purple eyeshadow with a little bit of a subtle halo eye, and I used my Modern Renaissance palette for all of it. So it's so simple. Basically all I did was I grabbed my Eco Tools shader brush. I have been using this since I first started using makeup. These are the Eco Tools brushes. Obviously I bought a new set, but I love these brushes. They're 100% eco-friendly and they pick up color really well. So what I did is I picked up one Fresco from Modern Renaissance and I just put it all over my lid, as so. Just make sure it's packed on. And then I'm just taking a different flat shader brush and first spraying it with some setting spray. I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape, not my Shape Tape, my Rainforest of the Sea. Oh, just sprayed my laptop. Anyways, okay, and then I'm just picking up my flat shader brush with the color Primavera from the Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm just going back and forth, putting it on the center of my lid, making sure that it's even with the other eye. Just packing that color on. And I like to go in with the same shader brush that I picked up Juan Fresco with, and just with the edge of the brush, just lightly outline the outer layer. But it's so simple to do this. You really just need 2 colors, 2 brushes, and a blending technique. Okay, so I blended them to my liking, and now I'm just going to clean up the edges with a Q-tip. Alright, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply my mascara. The mascara that I'm using is Ulta Beauty Bold Ambition Volumizing and Conditioning Mascara. I just picked this up randomly because there was a sale at Ulta, and I love this mascara. It really has a unique formula. It really spreads out all your lashes and doesn't make them look all clumpy. I'm using this mascara every single day, and I love it. That's my really simple look that I am gonna do today. I really like it. It's very subtle, brings out my eyes. Purple really does bring out brown eyes, so I'm very happy with it. And now we're gonna move on to the skin. Okay guys, so I did already prime my face before I started the video, but I'm going to go ahead and prime it again just to be safe. The primer that I'm going to use is my Milk Makeup Photo Ready Primer, I think. No, it's called the Milk Makeup Blur Stick. It really minimizes all of your pores and makes your skin just look like it has a smoother base to it. So I'm going to go ahead and prime. I had a huge pimple here about a week ago, and I popped it, and it's still like there kind of, and I'm hoping that the scar heals soon because it's annoying me. Who else's hands are super dry after washing them 30 times a day? Because mine are so dry and I don't like it, but it's good to stay safe. I also have been using a lot of hand sanitizer, even though I know that apparently hand sanitizer does nothing for COVID. Is it COVID-19? I've just been calling it coronavirus. It's COVID-19. It's better to be safe than sorry. So I have just primed my face. I'm going to go in with my foundation. The foundation that I've been using a lot is my Maybelline Super Stay Foundation. I love this foundation. It's super easy to blend. It really does give that coverage, and you don't need a lot of it to get a good coverage. It's also cheap. It's from the drugstore, so I highly recommend this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to spray my face first. I'm going to go ahead and just put it on. Okay, lately I've been using brushes for foundation. I don't really like using the Beauty Blender anymore. I just feel like brushes give you that more airbrushed, glowy, dewy look, and also it's so much faster. So I'm going to go in with my NYX Professional Makeup Foundation brush. This is one of my favorite brushes for foundation. It really leaves your skin looking really flawless. So I'm just gonna go ahead and blend, blend, blend. I have some shimmer left over on my face. Guys, I don't know what to do about this. These sideburns really annoy the heck out of me. But I don't want to wax them because apparently they grow back a lot more if you wax them. So I'm thinking of just lasering them off. I want to get laser done maybe in May or June, or maybe in the winter to get ready for next summer, because I doubt we're gonna have a summer anyway. I don't even know what's going on with that, but I'm really hoping that the world goes back to normal and Mother Earth decides to heal. Oh, one thing I forgot to do on this eye was wear eyeliner. I did a tiny layer of my Pixie eyeliner on my waterline, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. There we go. A little bit more of definition to the eye look. I'm just going to put a little bit of powder underneath the eyes. I don't like using loose powder or translucent powder in the spring just because it just looks way too cakey. But I'm just taking my per 4-in-1 pressed mineral makeup powder in the color Light Tan. And with the same foundation brush I used, because it still has a little bit of makeup on it, I'm just going to press it underneath my eye. Okay, I'm liking it so far. Now I'm going to go for blush. Blush is the one makeup item you need in the spring. We're all about those flush cheeks and the rosy red cheeks, and I am all about it. Okay, so I'm gonna grab my Real Techniques contour brush. I actually use this for blush just because I feel like it's the right size for my cheek. And I'm gonna go in with my Saharan blush palette from Juvia's Place. I love these colors. They're so beautiful and pigmented. I don't want to use too much, obviously. I think I'm gonna go for this pink color. I'm gonna lightly tap my brush, like really little, like it's barely touching, and just start putting my blush on in circular motions. What I love about Juvia's Place is you can really build up the product. You can use very little and have a subtle look, or you can really pack some blush on and really look like you are about to go on your first date or something.
Yeah.
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 I'm filming a video. What?
Listen, it's really not safe to go to work. Try to get out of work tomorrow, okay? Call it in right now. I don't feel good. Okay?
You don't feel good? You feel
I don't
sick?
feel good about the idea of going to work.
Daddy, it's okay.
No, it's not okay. Yeah, there's no reason to take all kind of risks.
I'm off Friday.
Yeah, but you still go to work tomorrow. The phone will bolo.
Let me think about it.
No, not think about it. Just call them.
Can you close the door?
I'm gonna close the door. That's not a problem.
Okay. As you can see, my dad is freaking out about me leaving the house tomorrow. I do have to go to work, but I don't like calling out. I hate calling out. So we're gonna see what's gonna happen. Thinking I should because my parents are old and my dad is a heavy smoker. So God forbid I bring anything into the house. I'm endangering my parents' lives. So I'm contemplating not going to work tomorrow, but we'll see. So I did my blush. After I do my blush, I always use the same brush I use to do my foundation, just to go over it all, just so my blush is packed into my skin. Okay, and now I'm gonna go into the lips. I'm gonna do like a mauve color for my lips. Mauve color. Mauve. Just because the eyeshadow is really light, so I want to be a little bit darker with my lipstick. The lipstick that I'm using is also a drugstore item. It is the Maybelline, is it Maybelline? Yeah, Maybelline lipstick in Touchable Taupe. I love taupes and nudes and mauves, and it's basically all I wear. I'm gonna line my lips with my LA Girl Forever lip liner in GP554. Yeah, it's GP554, so we're gonna go ahead and line the lips. I'm really hungry. I just ordered some guacamole Mexican grill food. I'm so excited for it to come in. One thing that's really difficult about staying home all day is resisting food, because that's literally all there is to do. Alright, so using this lip liner adds a little bit more of a brighter pigment to the lipstick, because this lipstick is a little dark. I'm going to blend the lip liner and the lipstick together to make it a little bit brighter. So I'm basically done with my lips. I did want to add a little bit of eyebrow gel. I didn't fill in my eyebrows today, just because I didn't feel like it, to be honest. I don't fully do my eyebrows. I just use my ColourPop Brow Boss gel, and I just gel them up a little bit just to make them a little bit in place. Sometimes I'll tweeze them, but I think they're alright for now. This brow gel does have a little bit of tint to it, so it's good. Okay, and I'm going to share this tip with you guys. So every time I have a zit or a pimple, I like to put some black eyeliner over it just to make it look like a beauty mark. I don't really have any zits right now, but I do have this scar that you can kind of see. So what I've been doing is I've been taking my eyeliner and just making a dot where the scar is, And then I also actually have 2 beauty marks right over here, and they do get covered with my makeup, so I am just going to dot those really lightly as well. Now it just looks like instead of a scar from a pimple I popped, I just have a beauty mole there. Alright guys, that's basically it for my makeup. It's very dewy, very fresh, perfect for spring. I am very excited that it is getting warmer. However, the situation that we're in today is very frightening, very scary. The best thing we could do is self-quarantine, stay at home. If you're feeling even a little bit sick, just stay at home. So cheers to that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I haven't been doing a lot of makeup videos, but I want to get started again just so I practice my makeup. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, hit the bell to be notified for whenever I post, and leave some requests down below what videos you guys want to see from me. I would love to hear from you. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you later.